all year. The word coniferous comes from the word cones. Coniferous trees have cones like this for seeds. In the waters of the coniferous forests, you'll find small animals like beavers. Beavers are large aquatic rodents that feed on roots, bark, and twigs, so they're made to live in the forest where there's an abundant food source. Up in the trees, you'll find owls. Owls see well in the dark, and their beak is designed to catch and hold small animals like mice. On the ground of the coniferous forest, you'll find bears. Bears are omnivores, which means they eat both plants and meat. You may find a bear in the river hunting for fish, or walking through the forest searching for berries. The coniferous forest is also the home of fishers. From November to March, fishers get thick, soft fur, which helps them adapt to the cold weather. Fishers have sharp teeth, so they can eat animals much bigger than themselves, and their claws help them climb trees and attack their food.
If you head south from the coniferous forest, you'll find another forest habitat called the temperate forest.
Temperate forests are found on the North American continent, South America, Europe, Africa, Asia, and Australia too. A temperate forest has 4 seasons: spring, summer, autumn, and winter. In a temperate forest, you'll find deciduous trees like maple and oak trees. Deciduous trees drop their leaves in the fall. In the temperate forest, you'll also find other plants like wildflowers and ferns too. Many plants and animals make their homes in temperate forests. Plants and animals that live in the temperate forest have adapted to the 4 seasons. Birds that live in temperate forests fly or migrate to warmer places, while squirrels plan ahead before the cold winter comes and store nuts and acorns to eat in the winter.
Another type of forest habitat is called the tropical rainforest.
The tropical rainforest is found in tropical areas of the world. Rainforests are found in South America, Malaysia, and Africa. Rainforests are hot and wet. The plants grow very quickly, and they've adapted to large amounts of rainfall and the excessive heat. In a rainforest, you'll find plants with very broad leaves and trees that grow tall above the shrubs and vines. A rainforest has many layers. The tallest layer has trees that can grow as high as 250 feet or more. Below that is the canopy layer that has trees that are between 60 and 150 feet tall. These branches form a canopy, or a kind of cover, that shades the floor of the rainforest. The canopy blocks much of the sunlight from reaching the forest floor and stops the rain from falling directly onto smaller plants. For example, thick vines climb up the trees. It's how they have adapted to reach sunlight. The layer below the canopy is called the understory. Here, plants have adapted to the poor soil with few nutrients and sunlight. Some don't even produce flowers in order to conserve energy. Others have broad leaves in order to soak up what little sunlight there is.